Hi everybody, we're going to make a chocolate cake with coffee. What the ingredients you'll need is flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, cocoa, salt, milk, 2 eggs, vanilla, vegetable oil, and instead of hot water, I use hot coffee. So here we go. I have 1 cup of flour in so far. And the sugar, so 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of cocoa, so just make it really nice. Make sure there's no lumps. You can Swift this. I just don't. All right. So there's our dry ingredients. Next will be a cup of milk. You can use buttermilk. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And then 1 cup of coffee. And it's hot coffee, guys. Now you need to scrape it because the dry stuff does stick to the bottom on this recipe. So you do have to work it with it. Scrape your edges, scrape your bottom. Okay? All right, now set it back on. Now I have greased my pan. I did a round one. And then I also put parchment paper on the bottom of it. Okay, so to do that, you put the parchment paper underneath and you take a sharp knife and go all the way around it. Okay? And your oven's preheated for 350 degrees. Now what you're going to do is pour it into your pan. I put a cutting board underneath mine just in case it leaks, because it is a spring pan. And you just pour it in, scrape it out. Bowl 100% cleaned out. Cake is ready. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. Thank you.